How long did it take you?
12 years. Really, I mean, to be honest, to be honest, I'm not starting a brand new company, really, right? I built a real estate team, sold real estate and built relationships and built a brand and a following for 12 years. And I'm now taking that and I kind of rebranded it, new graphics, new logos, new websites, all that stuff, new business plan, new locations, new systems, new protocols, new legal documents, new insurance, new people. There's a lot of new stuff, and all of that was a lot of work. And that all happened this year. So all of that was a heavy undertaking, and we're still doing it. But the building of the business, we're already up and running on our feet just because we know so many people and they all want to sell. And, my goal was to launch the company in a way that people would pay attention to it and they would know it. So between the Wall Street Journal and YouTube and social, we really choreographed how we were going to do it to make the biggest splash. And that brought in clients and brought in new people and gave us something to talk about.
I want to get to why real estate in a moment, but I'm curious about what has been the biggest challenge about starting your own brokerage, about redesigning things and making it synonymous with Wall Street Journal and all these other places. What's been the most challenging thing?
Finding good people is hard because there's money involved, there's risk, there's time, there's a lot of trust, right? I have less and less time every day for more and more things, and I've got to stay as focused as I possibly can to build business and to make business. I mean, that's really it. Those are the two things that I have to do: build brand, continue brand, find business, sell business. Everything else is handled by other people. And there's a lot of trust that goes into that, and it's hard. And so, and then time goes by and you're just fine, I'll do it by myself, or we'll just do it. We'll figure it out. And it just gets more frustrating. And so, that's been tough. But on top of that, starting in the middle of a pandemic when New York City was shut down and you couldn't move, that was also pretty hard. It's you still can't go into a restaurant really. They just closed schools down in most of the boroughs today again. It's crazy.
Wild. Different, really crazy world. And I think what you've been able to achieve in such a crazy world is admirable and very inspirational. So kudos to you, man.
Thanks.